Hello folks, my name is Giovanni with Giovanni's Fiery Foods. Sitting here in the colonies about to do a review for you. If you notice, I have my NEUK shirt. Thank you Adele, thank you Luciano for sending it to me. I appreciate it. There's the bit on the back. And a double extra large, it just about fits me. Anyway, the review I'd like to do today is of a local hot sauce, and of course local to me living in California. This local hot sauce, handmade by a company, and they've been around for a good 10-11 years. And this particular one is Humboldt Hot Sauce Trinidad Stinger. And now, of course, I'm in my chief's office and the phone goes off. So let's keep going with this anyway. Humboldt Hot Sauce Trinidad Stinger. Nice taste, I'm told. All natural ingredients. It's got blackberries, blueberries, butch tea, Trinidad scorpion peppers, rice wine vinegar, which I like, and lime juice, onions, red bell peppers, and a whole bunch of other stuff, smoked, dried, ghost pepper, black pepper, all natural, made in Humboldt, made in Arcata, about 20-30 miles from me. So now in doing these challenges, I've been seeing that there's a little spoon and a big spoon. Little spoon for espresso coffee, according to big spoon for the big boys. Anyway, I'm going to go for the big spoon, and I'm not really one that goes in for milk or cheese. If there's a burn, I like to enjoy the burn. So we'll start with this and a knife, and then we'll open this hot sauce and take a sniff. Oh man. Now it smells sweet, but I don't think it's that sweet because it's... I'm just going to try it. That's the best way for it. So let's take a look at what we have here. We have this stuff going into this. Let's go for a big spoon of this. There's no more room. It's actually dripping. Anyway, down the hatch. So right off, it's got a nice, super hot taste. I would rank it probably in the hot at about 7 or 8. I mean, it's a good hot. Throat, not really on the lips. Throat and the tongue a little bit. It's building. I can definitely feel that it's building up there. But on all, you know, there's a whole bunch of different ones of these Humboldt hot sauces, and they're available to me locally. And this is the hottest one of them all. And like I said, it's got a great, great kick to it. Such a great kick to it that I'm going to do something to show Luciano how it's actually done. I'm going to go for round 2. And pour this one out again. Because like I said, the taste is, come on, out of there. Shake the bottle out. Shake the bottle out. Ooh, and there's another super full spoon. So 2 down the hatch. It's like, oh, I could just drink this whole bottle. It's such an amazing taste. I would put it on anything. And an amazing burn, like a really good burn. But like I said, about 7 or 8 on the heat. I've had like some slightly hotter ones, but this one by far is probably one of my favorites, and looks like I'm going to buy a fair amount of these. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. Thank you very much for watching this. Shouts out again to NEUK, and I will talk to you soon.